Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing only what matters: a working webcam, a clear mic, and PowerPoint 2019 or later. Once done, open your deck, set slide size to 16:9, and position camera so your face fits a corner. Make sure camera and mic appear in the record slide show dialog. Select record from beginning or current slide. Press the red record button to capture video and narration together. This is the fastest, single-app way to get face and slides synced. Now you execute the main recording. Start speaking, use pause and resume between sections so you can compose thoughts without cutting the file. If a slide needs another take, stop and choose record current slide to redo only that slide. While recording, use the laser pointer and ink to emphasize points. PowerPoint captures those gestures. Keep an eye on the audio meter to avoid clipping, and position your face window small but visible so viewers see expressions without covering slide content. Finish by exporting the synchronized file. Go to File, Export, create a video, choose 1080p and include recorded timings and narrations. Once exported, review the MP4 end-to-end, and if a slide has issues, re-record that slide only and re-export. If you encounter a black camera window or no audio, first check OS privacy settings and app permissions, update webcam drivers, and restart PowerPoint. Most problems resolve with permissions and driver fixes, then re-attempt the single slide re-record.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.